So yes, I've done my good deed for the month. A few weeks back, I met this lovely old gentleman who was in the barbers, and we were just chatting about the Second World War. He decided to show me this photograph that he kept in his wallet, and as you can see, it's manky. It's battered. It's got damage on it all over the place. So I thought to myself, do you know what? I'm going to do something very, very special for this guy if he lets me. So I asked him if I could take a photograph of it, and he let me. And then he asked, what are you going to do with that? And I said, I'm going to do something very, very special for you. He started to get really emotional. I don't want any money for it. Just leave it with me, and I will pop it back to the barbers in a few weeks when I've done it. This is what I did for him, and I think he is going to love it.